Welcome to this video on mastering Fable 5 vibe coding. We will explore 5 essential workflows you should build to optimize your productivity. First, map your operating systems. Open your preferred Notes app. List your daily recurring workflows. Identify repetitive manual tasks and select one system to upgrade. Next, use reverse prompting for new ideas. Paste your current steps, define your end goals, type your reverse prompt command, and submit to generate innovative improvements. Automate your vibe coding loop. Command Fable to spec tasks, trigger initialization scripts, allow the build process to run, and review the automated output logs. Design your mission control. List your software tools and daily widgets, ask Fable to design the architecture, and generate the components you need. You can clone paid tool interfaces by uploading screenshots to Fable. Command it to recreate the UI, then copy the generated code for your own use. Deploy your hub for global access. Connect your repository, push to production, add your environment variables securely, and click Deploy to host your app online. Initiate true vibe coding by uploading your project files and asking Fable for improvement ideas. Let the AI guide your architectural journey without setting rigid goals. Pull the creative strand. Select the most interesting idea. Command Fable to expand the details, review the generated components, and repeat to discover novel solutions. Stop micromanaging the AI. Avoid rigid, micro-level commands, and instead use open-ended exploration prompts. Allow the AI to make design decisions for you. Utilize the in-app browser for research. Identify a manual task, type "you do it," and watch as Fable launches the browser to automate the work. Delegate environment setup. Manually open your platform dashboard. Command Fable to retrieve your keys, and let it safely save your variables. Split high and low workloads. Use Fable for orchestration and architectural ideas. Then switch to another model like ChatGPT for low-level execution tasks. Select your execution model wisely. Avoid the ultra model when possible, and choose a medium model to keep the output stable and avoid hallucinations. With these 5 systems in place, your workflow transformation is complete. Start executing these steps to significantly increase your AI output.